everyone, you're welcome to Aiding Grow Unique Fashion and Design. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, I will advise you should please subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified each time we upload new videos like this. And every week we do upload videos to this channel. And if you are a return subscriber and you've been following this channel, thank you so much for being sticking to us. So in this particular tutorial, we'll be talking majorly on few things we need to put in place before actually going to shop. As a fashion designer who just comes out from, maybe you just graduated from a fashion school or you just came out from any, maybe you learned your work as an apprentice under the street tailors, whichever way you learned your tailoring and you are good at it, I will advise you that you should not just kickstart your fashion career from owning a big shop. You can start as maybe a small tailor. Many of the fashion designers we see today, there are fashion designers in top places, and maybe they have an academy that we want them to, that is our role model. Most times if we hear their stories, we'll see that they usually start as street sellers before they came to that level they are. So the one thing I would advise you, something that I did wrong that I won't want anybody to imitate, is that after after graduating from work, I went straight to own a shop. Yes, I just went straight to owning a shop, and I didn't consider there are some things that I didn't consider actually. One, I didn't consider the kind of audience that I need, and I didn't consider the location of where I'm going to have to shop, and this thing really affected me after some time, and I have to move back home. I know that after having your shop and coming back home, it's really not advisable, because it's really not, that it won't sound good to the ears of anyone who heard it. But then I think it was something more better for me to do, instead of just keep on running a shop where instead of running a shop whereby you can't pay your shop rent. Maybe at the end of the month you can't even save up enough money that you use to pay up your shop rent. You can't pay your electricity bills. You can't even take care of other expenses. You can't even take care of yourself. It means that you are not doing well. And it's not like as if you don't know your job. You know the job, and when each time you make clothes for your clients, they love it. They even praise, they even give you excess of the money you charge them. It means you are doing well, you are giving them the job they wanted. But then why are you not having customers? Why are you not having more clients? Why are you not able to pay your shop rent? Why are you not able to pay to do some other things you are supposed to do? You see, that is where the problem comes in. It's because, one, you didn't get your target audience. Number two, you didn't look out for a location where you can have your target audience. Now, what is your target audience? Now let me for instance, maybe you are a tailor, you are a fashion designer, and you are into sewing of bridal wears. Maybe you specialize in making bridal wears. Your target audience should be on youths, not old women, right? Because youths will be the kind of people that will look out for bridal wears, isn't it? So it's this kind of when you are looking for a shop in that case, you are going to look for a place whereby you'll be able to have you'll be able to catch your target audience, so that you'll be able to see people will be able to have that how will I put it, so that each time, that means you are going to have your shop. Okay, let me put it this way: you are going to have your shop, or your location is going to be on a place where youths are usually, maybe they usually pass the place, they usually do things around that area. Yes, it should be a place where youths usually do things always, so that they will always see you, they will always see your adverts, your ads, so that they can come in and make dress from you. But what if you specialize in making these bridal wears, like I said, and you went and open your shop in a place where old women are? You see that it won't be easy for you to get your target audience, because the location where you are, you see that the people there are not your target audience. They won't even come to you to make clothes, because they know that, if I go to that place now, she's going to charge me high, and whereas she don't sew the type that I'm going to make. So that's just it. So that's the mistake that I made when I was looking for a shop. I didn't consider the my target audience and where the location of the shop is. So that really affected me. I was not having so much clients. I ended up not even, sometimes at the end of the month I won't be able to pay job rent, and at the end of the day making some other expenses will be so difficult because clients are not coming in. So what I will advise every fashion designer is that each time you want to open a shop, consider your target audience, the location where you are going to put your shop in before going to a shop. And another thing, working from home is very, very important. If you are working from home and you are able to gather some customers before moving to a shop, it's going to help you a lot, because by then you must have had clients that are patronizing you. You must have had clients that will bring clothes for you to make for them. So when you move to a shop, it won't be as if you are just starting from scratch. Because when you move to a shop, if you don't have any customer from home whom you are working for, and you now have a shop, it will be a little difficult for you, because most of the times you go to the shop, you sleep because you don't have customers, you don't have anybody that you are working for. But if you have clients that you are working from home, when you open your shop, they will still come to your home so that you can work for them. They will still come to your shop so that you can work for them. So you see that it's very essential, or it's very good to work from home. And you see that when you open your shop and you've been working from home, it will be easier for you to save money. It will be easier for you to save money. You save money that you use to buy some things that you put in your shop. You'll be able to save money to make your shop look beautiful, to attract your audience. You'll be able to save money to do some other little things. Maybe you want to make your school to your fashion, your brand to look like a school. You'll be able to save money to make it like that. So it will be really easier for you to start from home before heading to a shop. So I won't advise any fashion designer who have graduated to just start from shop directly, unless you have clients that you are working for already. So that is all. So if you've enjoyed this video, please tell me at the comment section if you find it helpful, or maybe you have any suggestions. You can also tell me as well. So I thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.